Welcome to the Omni Dental Podcast, your shortcut to being well-informed. Today, we're taking a deep dive into something, well, incredibly common, yet it's often shrouded in a bit of mystery for many of us: the routine dental checkup. Our mission with this deep dive is to kind of pull back the curtain, demystify the whole process, really, and arm you with the surprising facts and crucial insights you need to feel not just comfortable, but truly confident at your next appointment.
And for this particular deep dive, we're focusing on Omni Dental. They're nestled right in the heart of Arlington Heights, Illinois. This practice, it's led by Dr. Billis Poles, a doctor of dental surgery. He has, over a decade of hands-on experience. His dedication to excellence across general, cosmetic, and preventive dentistry really defines their patient-first approach. They're really all about making sure every single person, from the youngest patient to the oldest, feels completely informed and, at ease.
That's a huge part of what makes them stand out, I think. And for our listeners, Omni Dental isn't just serving Arlington Heights. Not at all. They extend that comprehensive patient-focused care to a pretty broad range of nearby communities. We're talking Buffalo Grove, Palatine, Mount Prospect, Rolling Meadows,
Schaumburg, Wheeling,
Brains, and Elk Grove Village, too. So they truly make that commitment to oral health accessible to, well, a significant part of the region. So let's kick things off with a fundamental question, one many of us probably secretly ponder. Why are these routine visits so crucial, especially if you feel like your teeth are perfectly fine?
That's a fantastic question. And the core answer, it really boils down to proactive prevention. A routine dental exam is, it's far more than just getting your teeth polished. Much more. Think of it like your first line of defense against problems before they even truly begin. We're talking about catching the incredibly subtle early signs of tooth decay, or the initial whispers of gum disease, and that persistent buildup of plaque, that sticky film of bacteria, right? And tartar, which is plaque that is hardened, calcified onto your teeth. It needs professional removal. If these aren't intercepted early, they can definitely escalate into some quite serious conditions.
And it goes beyond just your mouth, right?
Yeah.
I've heard there's a surprising connection between what's happening orally and your overall health.
Absolutely. And this is where it gets really interesting, I think, for an informed listener. Did you know that chronic inflammation in your gums, like a common sign of gum disease, well, it's been linked to systemic conditions like heart disease, diabetes, even certain respiratory issues. So your routine dental checkup isn't just about your smile. It's actually a vital early warning system for your entire body. It can detect those sort of silent health whispers long before they become a roar. It's a crucial component of holistic well-being.
Wow. That puts a whole new perspective on it, doesn't it? It's about prevention in the broadest sense. So if your dentist spots a tiny cavity, it's often a relatively quick and straightforward fix.
Usually, yes.
But if that goes unnoticed, it can rapidly grow, potentially leading to a root canal or even, tooth loss.
Exactly.
So that early detection saves you not just discomfort, but often significant time and money down the road.
For sure.
It's kind of a small investment now to prevent a much larger issue later. Okay, so we understand the crucial why behind these visits. That seems clear. But for many, the actual how remains a bit of a mystery. Let's pull back the curtain, as they say, and walk you through exactly what happens. When you settle into that dental chair for a routine checkup, we'll cover the key steps. It should make you feel completely informed and hopefully confident.
Okay. The first crucial step is always a thorough medical history review. And this isn't just idle chat. The dental team will actually engage with you about any recent health changes, current medications you might be taking, any past dental treatments you've had. And what's fascinating here is how this info informs their approach. For instance, certain medications can cause dry mouth, which increases cavity risk, or medical conditions like diabetes can affect gum health. At a practice like Omni Dental, this personalized review ensures they tailor your care to your specific health profile. It's not just about your teeth in isolation.
Right. It connects everything. Following that, it's time for the visual exam of your mouth. This is probably the most, iconic part. The dentist meticulously inspects your teeth and gums using a small mirror and specialized tools. But it's not just about looking for obvious cavities, is it?
No, not at all.
They're carefully assessing your gum tissue for any signs of inflammation or recession, checking for cracks or chips you might not even see yourself, evaluating your bite, and even screening for signs of oral cancer.
Which is so important.
Yeah, especially important for all adults, even non-smokers. They're truly like dental detectives looking for clues in every corner, even those hard-to-see areas you definitely miss at home.
Next up, dental x-rays are often taken. Now, not every single visit requires them, but they're typically part of your initial comprehensive exam at a new practice, or maybe every few years, depending on your individual risk factors. And this isn't just random radiation exposure. It's a really vital diagnostic tool. X-rays allow the dentist to detect hidden issues completely invisible to the naked eye. We're talking things like bone loss around the roots of your teeth,
Wow.
decay forming between teeth, or even decay hidden under existing fillings. They provide that crucial sort of subsurface view, revealing problems before they become painful or, more extensive. And Omni Dental's commitment to advanced technology means they use low-dose digital X-rays, so they're prioritizing both accuracy and your safety.
That's good to know. Okay, so after the detailed examination and any X-rays, it's time for what many consider the most satisfying part of the visit, that professional teeth cleaning.
Ah, yes. The clean feeling.
Right. This is where the skilled dental hygienist takes over. They'll meticulously remove plaque and tartar from your teeth through a process called scaling, which involves using specialized instruments to gently yet thoroughly clean above and slightly below the gum line, removing those hardened deposits that, like you said, no toothbrush or floss can reach.
Exactly. And to add to that, it's also about polishing. After the scaling, your teeth are polished with a special paste. This smooths the surfaces, making it harder for plaque to stick in the future. And it often removes superficial stains, too.
Oh, nice bonus.
Then, a thorough flossing session completes the cleaning, reaching those tight spots between your teeth. It truly leaves your mouth feeling incredibly fresh and clean. It's a level of thoroughness that's just, impossible to achieve with at-home care alone, no matter how diligent you might be.
Yeah, I believe that. Finally, we arrive at the review and treatment options phase. This, I'd argue, is one of the most critical parts for you, the patient. Your dentist will sit down with you, review all their findings from the exam and X-rays, and explain everything clearly.
Communication is key here.
Definitely. They'll discuss any identified dental problems, maybe a small cavity or an area of concern with your gums. But beyond just problems, they'll offer personalized oral hygiene advice. Tailored to your specific needs, maybe a different flossing technique or a specific type of toothbrush.
It's exactly right. This is where your personalized treatment plan truly comes into play. If treatment is needed, they'll outline the options. They'll discuss what each involves, explain the benefits, and, importantly, answer all your questions.
So you feel comfortable.
Precisely. It's a collaborative discussion, ensuring you understand the next steps for maintaining or improving your oral health. This patient-centered approach is something Omni Dental truly excels at. They really focus on ensuring you feel empowered and informed about every decision.
That's great. Now, a common question we get is, how long does all this actually take? What's the typical time commitment?
Good question. On average, a routine checkup generally runs between, say, 30 to 60 minutes.
Okay, that's not too bad.
No. The exact duration can depend on a few factors, like whether you need X-rays taken that day, or if you happen to have a significant amount of tartar buildup requiring a bit more cleaning time. At Omni Dental, their aim is always efficiency, but without ever compromising the thoroughness or quality of your care. They really do value your time.
Okay, so we've walked through the standard process, which is super helpful. But what elevates a good dental visit to an exceptional one? What truly sets a practice like Omni Dental apart in how they deliver this essential care? How do they transform it from maybe a chore into a valued part of your wellness routine?
Well, I think it really starts with their deeply ingrained, patient-centered philosophy. At Omni Dental, they genuinely treat patients like family. It's not just a slogan. This means ensuring that everyone, from a curious toddler having their very first visit to a senior navigating perhaps more complex dental needs, receives care that is not just tailored and respectful, but also genuinely compassionate.
That personal touch.
Yes. It's definitely not a one-size-fits-all approach.
Yeah.
Every treatment plan is meticulously crafted to meet your unique dental needs and goals.
And their commitment to patient comfort is tangible, isn't it? It's not just a buzzword for them.
Not at all.
Yeah.
They really prioritize creating truly comfortable appointments. They understand dental anxiety is real for many people, so they focus on creating a relaxing environment to ensure your dental visit is as stress-free as possible. This might mean using gentle numbing techniques or ensuring clear communication about every single step.
Or just a calming atmosphere.
Exactly. And underpinning this comfort is their commitment to advanced technology. They consistently invest in cutting-edge tools for precise and efficient dental care. And that translates directly to better accuracy in diagnosis, often less invasive procedures.
Which is always good.
Always. And enhanced comfort during your visit. It's all about improving patient outcomes through innovation.
And beyond just those foundational checkups, Omni Dental offers a truly comprehensive suite of services, right?
You do.
This kind of holistic approach means they can handle pretty much everything, from cosmetic dentistry, like professional teeth whitening or even full smile makeovers,
Yeah.
to more advanced dental treatments, things like dental implants and root canals. And what's also quite noteworthy and maybe a bit surprising for a dental office is their offering of aesthetic services like Botox and fillers.
Yeah, that's interesting.
It really shows their commitment to overall patient well-being and confidence, I think, not just dental health in isolation.
And a huge part of that exceptional experience is Dr. Bilas Poles himself. With over a decade of experience, he's really known for his precise and friendly approach. And he specializes in expertly treating a wide range of dental injuries and emergencies, too. His calm demeanor and extensive knowledge just ensure that every visit is, well, productive and reassuring.
That confidence matters.
It really does. And a subtle yet impactful detail that genuinely impressed me is their commitment to minimizing their environmental impact through sustainable practices. It's a thoughtful touch that reflects a deeper commitment to overall well-being, even beyond the individual patient.
Yeah, that's a nice touch. It's clear how all these elements, the patient-first approach, the advanced tech, the comprehensive services, Dr. Pohl's expertise, how they all combine to create a truly positive and effective patient experience. They really seem to become a trusted partner in your family's oral health journey, emphasizing long-term wellness. So let's recap quickly. We've broken down why routine dental checkups are so fundamentally important, far beyond just clean teeth, as we've discussed, and walked you through each step of the process, showing you exactly what to expect. Knowing this, we really hope can truly ease any anxieties you might have about your next visit.
Absolutely. And when you step back and consider the long-term impact, consistent preventive dental care is truly one of the best investments you can make in your own well-being. Full stop. It's about ensuring your oral health powerfully supports your overall health, helping you maintain a bright, healthy smile and really a healthier you for life.
Couldn't agree more. We definitely encourage you to prioritize your dental health. For our listeners in Arlington Heights and those nearby communities we mentioned, Buffalo Grove, Palatine, Schaumburg, and the others, you can reach Omni Dental directly at 847-483-8833. Or, of course, visit their office at 305 East Rand Road in Arlington Heights, Illinois. They're ready and waiting to assist you in maintaining a lifetime of excellent oral health.
And as you think about your next dental visit, maybe consider this thought. A routine, maybe half-hour visit to your dentist isn't just about your teeth. Not really. It's like a silent guardian for your entire body, detecting those whispers of health issues before they potentially become roars. What other small, consistent actions in your life have such a profound and often underestimated impact on your long-term well-being?